A massive illegal gambling ring busted. Authorities raid several businesses across the state, including those in Middletown, Bellefontaine, Sidney, and Miamisburg. Police seized gambling machines, financial records, and money. In addition to busting the so-called internet cafe, similar to one hopefully we'll show you, today's raid also targeted a bank looking for evidence of money laundering. Shelby Costo joins us live in the studio with more on this. Shelby.
Authorities raided the Citizens National Bank in Miamisburg this morning and seized financial records. Investigators believe the bank was used in this huge illegal gambling ring that includes 7 counties.
A 10-month-long investigation revealed all kinds of illegal activity going on behind the doors of internet cafes across Ohio, including the Sweepstakes Cafe in Sidney. Deputies also raided another cafe and a Comfort Inn in Bellefontaine.
High rate of disappointment.
We spoke to a woman who doesn't want to be identified. She tried to get in to play her favorite skill game today, but realized it was closed.
Coming in right now, seeing the police car and that, yeah, kind of, surprised.
Investigators say the people behind the crimes violated Ohio's gambling laws, which included illegal bingo, money laundering, and other corrupt activity. Authorities seized gambling machines, financial records, and money. They say many of the businesses are linked to a common owner who used a variety of fronts to make money and prey on senior citizens.
They are a bad deal for Ohio consumers and prey particularly on Ohio's seniors. Unlike legal casinos, there is no oversight, no background checks, and they operate without regulation.
The gamer we talked to says she never realized anything illegal was going on.
You can play any amount from 5 cents on up and various machines.
The suspects, who have not been identified, face several charges, including operating a gambling house and money laundering.
Now, no one was arrested today with all of these raids. However, charges could be expected in the future. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Shelby Costo for ABC 22 News.